We got some special permissions that was requested by a few clients. I know some of our health gen clients required this, so we built a couple of special permissions for users. So one of the features is you can allow users into certain indicator screens and not allow them into others. So as we've got indicators coming online from the department that cover, say, HR, there's a workforce indicator. People who are entering data for that might not need to go into the surveys or the clinical data. It might actually not be acceptable. So we've created special permissions. We've already got a fine-grained permission system, but we've added some cases onto there to allow that fine-grained control. So users can access the areas they need and they can not see the areas they don't need. And then in addition to that, we've got a view-only permission. There were some requests for managers who want to have a view into the screens, or they want to provide a view for a certain user into everything, but they don't want the ability to change or manipulate any of the data. That's a little bit of a safety type feature, and I think that's just refines the control, and it's just improvements to the whole system.